Not that long ago, I uploaded a video about me planespotting at night in December. And in that video, I mentioned that I did the exact same thing 1 year before. Well, I never made a real full video about that. But I only filmed 4 planes that day, so I thought, why not just download the videos and then just make the video? Like, it's never too late to do something, so here it is. Guys, that is a Norwegian Airlines Boeing 737, which has flown a trip from Tenerife to Copenhagen Kastrup Airport here in Denmark. And the plane is gonna land now, at least in a bit. The plane is of course a Boeing 737, like I have already said. It's one of the only airplanes in Norwegian Airlines fleet. And I'm just gonna try to be quiet while the Boeing 737 lands at Copenhagen Kastrup Airport. Guys, that right there is an Embraer E195LR, which have had a 1 hour and 25-minute flight from Brussels, and it is about to land at Copenhagen Kastrup Airport, located in the city of Kastrup, close to Copenhagen. And the J195, in my opinion, is a pretty good aircraft, and I think I'll just be quiet while the plane lands. Guys, right there is Air Greenland's new plane, Tukak, coming from, I don't know where the plane is coming from, but right there is the airplane's new A330-800 Neo with the name Tukak, which is a very interesting name, but it is brand new, and when Air Greenland got it delivered, it was a pride for the whole country of Greenland, because the airline is the only airline in Greenland, so it's a big thing. A lot of very important people went and bought that plane when it was delivered, and it is very important for the country of Greenland. I'll just be quiet while it lands. Guys, that right there is a rare plane. You can't really see it right now, but that right there is an A300B4 operated by DHL. The A300 hasn't been produced in like more than 20 years. In short, it's an old aircraft, and the only airline that still operates it is Ryanair. So it is very, very rare. There's only a few left, and they are very old. The oldest one is almost 40 years old. So what you're watching here is a pretty rare sight. The DHL A300
it's pretty rare